What's going on, guys? I've got here a 2020 Ford Escape, and I'm using this car to show you how to change your turn signal bulb, your high beam bulb, and your low beam. So let's start by looking on the back here. Starting with the low beam, there's a cover here that we've got to remove. And these can be on quite firmly, but they will come out if you just grab them and pull them out. And be sure to set this aside and don't lose it. It's very important. Now, looking down through here, we can see the bulb. It's held in just by rotation. So in order to disconnect it, what we've got to do is rotate it counterclockwise. At that point, we can pull it out. And this is a 9005 bulb. So to disconnect the electrical component, you just lift on this tab here while you push the connector out. And you'll want to take this opportunity to inspect the pins on your connector. Make sure that they're free of corrosion and everything's good to go. Now we can pull the bulb out. As I've said, it's a 9005 single filament. When you install your new bulb, you'll want to be sure to not touch the glass, as that can cause issues with premature failure. So that's about as simple as it gets. And your high beam bulb is pretty much the same way. So we've got to get this cover out. And this is an H9. So again, it just rotates and you can just pull it out of the housing here. And finally, moving on to your turn signal, there's another convenient little access panel here. We just got to rip this cover off. And there we go, there's the socket for your turn signal. And again, this just rotates counterclockwise and comes out real smooth. So yeah, the part number I'm reading on this bulb is HT, it's a 7444. So it's an amber bulb. 7444NA is the part number. So yeah, I hope that this information was helpful for you in changing the bulbs on your Ford Escape. Please do let me know if you have any questions, or more importantly, any advice. And thanks for watching.